Are you looking to work with other musicians and take your skills to the next level? Well, if so, stick around because we're going to be running you through how to collaborate with other musicians. What's up guys, how are we all doing? Welcome back to Musicians Mindset channel, where we aim to help you achieve your goals and become the best musician you can be. My name is Liam, and today we're diving into a topic that's as essential as your instrument itself: collaborating with other musicians, building relationships and thriving together. Whether you're forming a band, writing with a partner, or engaging in your local music scene, collaboration is often the difference between staying stagnant and thriving as a musician. It's where creativity meets connection, and it has the power to not only elevate your music, but your career as a whole. In this video, we'll explore the importance of a strong band dynamic, how to prepare for and excel in co-writing sessions, strategies for building and maintaining a supportive music network, and practical ways collaboration can help you grow as a musician. We'll also share actionable tips and real-world examples to help you unlock the power of collaboration in your musical journey. So grab yourself a coffee or even your instrument and let's get started. Let's start with the foundation of many musicians' collaboration experience: working in a band. So being part of a band is way more than just turning up and playing your part. It's about creating something that's greater than the sum of its parts, and that requires effort, communication and respect. Let's start with establishing a shared vision. Every band needs a unifying purpose. Without it, you risk conflict and losing momentum. Clarify your goals. Are you aiming for weekend gigs, a national tour, or even recording an album? Defining what success looks like ensures that everyone is moving together in the same direction. Define your sound. Agreeing on a genre or aesthetic isn't just a creative decision, it's a practical one. It defines your branding, marketing, and your audience base. Let's move on to assigning roles and responsibilities within a band. So music collaboration goes way beyond the music itself. It's also about managing the business and logistical side of being in a band. Divide the workload. Who books gigs? Who manages the social media? And who oversees the merch and the financial planning? And rotate responsibilities. If one person is managing the whole thing, burnout is inevitable. So share the load and keep the energy balanced. Poor communication is a downfall of many bands, and here's how to avoid that. Regular meetings. Schedule time to discuss goals, challenges, and even creative ideas outside of rehearsal. Address conflict early. Instead of letting resentment build, address issues as soon as they arise. And be honest and respectful. Share feedback constructively. A criticism, for example, could sound like, "I love what you're doing here, but maybe we could try this instead." And finally, nurture the relationships. A band is a team, but it's also a collection of individuals with different needs and limits. So respect personal space. Try to avoid overstepping boundaries, especially when emotions run high during the creative process. And celebrate milestones, whether that's landing a gig or releasing a single. Celebrate those wins as a group. Now let's dive into one of the most intimate forms of musical collaboration: co-writing sessions. Co-writing is when two or more minds come together to create something new, and it's a dance between trust and flexibility. Success in co-writing often starts before the session itself. So research your partner, know their style, influence and strengths. It also helps you anticipate how to approach a session. Bring something to the table. Have ideas ready, whether it's a lyric, a melody, or a concept. A blank slate can be overwhelming. And set the mood. Choose a setting where you both feel comfortable and inspired. Now let's talk about collaboration in action. So during your session, try to focus on being open and adaptive. Start with a jam. Warm up by improvising. This helps break the ice and sparks those initial ideas. Build on strengths. If your partner is very good at lyric writing, whilst you're more of a melody wizard, divide those tasks accordingly. And experiment freely. Don't be afraid to try unconventional ideas. Often the best collaborations are where you step out of your comfort zone. So how do we go about resolving creative differences? Stay flexible. Remember, it's about what serves the song, not egos. Use the yes and method. So instead of rejecting ideas, build on them to explore their potential, and pause and reflect. So if tensions rise, take a break and return to it later with fresh eyes. No musician is an island. Building a network within your local or online music community can open doors you didn't even know existed. But networking isn't about cold transactions. It's about authentic connections. Be sure to engage locally. So attend events, go to an open mic, local jam sessions, or even local concerts. Even if you're not performing, being present and approachable goes a long way. And be sure to join groups or communities. So whether that's a Facebook group or a local musician circle, get involved and contribute meaningfully. Social media is one of the most powerful tools for connecting musicians. So be genuine, comment on others' work with sincerity, and share what you truly enjoy. Collaborative content. Consider co-hosting live sessions, featuring each other in your posts, or even doing virtual duets. Some of the most exciting collaborations happen when someone steps out of their usual style and comfort zone. So try something new. Collaborate with someone from a different genre. And this can lead to some incredible crossovers and even some fresh inspiration. Let's quickly touch on nurturing relationships over time. So follow up. After a gig or a session, send a quick thank you message or even suggest a follow-up project. And be reliable. Show up prepared, meet deadlines, and follow through on promises. Collaboration isn't just a nice to have, it's essential for your growth as a musician. Here's why. It broadens your perspective. Working with others exposes you to different techniques, skills, and approaches. And collaboration also challenges you to think outside the box and grow creatively. Collaboration builds emotional resilience. So let's face it, the music industry is tough, and having a support system can make it easier to weather the storms. Collaborators can offer advice, encouragement, and even a fresh perspective during tough times. And it amplifies your reach. Partnerships often mean exposure to new audiences, and teaming up with other musicians can help expand your visibility. To sum it all up, collaboration is the most rewarding part of being in the music world. From creating harmony as part of a band, to writing hits in part of a co-writing session, or even building a network that supports and inspires you. These connections make your musical journey richer and more fulfilling. So if you're taking something of value out of this video, then let us know in the comment section below and give the video a like. We've got a new video out every single week, so if you don't want to miss an upload, smash that subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell icon so you'll be notified when we upload. Thank you all very much for watching. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Take care and I'll see you soon.